You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So come on, you got it wrong. To prove I'm right, I put it in a song. I don't know why you're being shy and turn away when I look into your eyes. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody.
Birthday. Hope you have a good one, and sana matupad lahat ng prayers mo and wishes mo, and I hope you'll be more successful in your life, with your career, with Jaden. Of course, sana magkasama-sama tayo ulit. Well, hopefully this December para makapag-bonding tayo ulit. Continue to do good with your job and to be a good mom to Jaden. I wish you a happy birthday. Nandito ko ngayon sa Tagaytay and I'm off to work. I love you so much and I miss you so much. Stay young, good looking, pretty, sexy, and everything like me. Mwah. Happy birthday.
Ate Tulo, mainit.
Sabi mo, I love you.
Bahu, aso.
I miss you. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you. Sana makasama kita ulit. I miss you, Jaden. Love you. Mama.
Okay. Hi, sis. Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Oo, may echo kami dito. So, ang wish namin sa'yo, syempre, wala na kami masyadong mag-wish dahil you already have everything. Good career, good job, and wonderful son, Jaden. A gorgeous body and sexy face. So, wala nang mahihiling pa. Syempre, kami, ang wish na lang namin, syempre, always good health for you and Jaden. And stay happy together. Kahit na wala kami dyan to celebrate with you, you know naman, we will always celebrate by heart. At syempre, sa mga pinadala mo, magsa-celebrate din kami dito for your birthday. And, thank you pala sa lahat ng, pag-share mo ng blessings sa amin. And, sa lahat ng tulong mo sa family namin. We really appreciate it. And, sana, lahat ng, mga wish mo, or meron ka pang mga wish na gusto pang matupad in life, matupad mo. But, para sa amin, we think na wala ka nang mahihiling pa. Yun. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, be sexy. And salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong mo sa amin, lalo na sa mga bata, at kay Sharon. And yun lang, enjoy ka lang sa birthday mo. And thank you ulit sa mga blessing. Baka puro pa ulit-ulit yung message.
Ulit-ulit.
Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Bye. Love you. We miss you. And Jayden, mama. Bye.
Hi ate, kamusta na? Happy birthday to you. Sana enjoy mo ang birthday mo dyan sa Australia. Sana next time, sama-sama tayo mag-celebrate ng birthday mo. I wish you all the happiness and success in life. You're very lucky you have Jayden, so just enjoy life, okay? Just want to let you know that I'm always here for you. And yeah, just keep in touch, alright? I miss you and I love you so much. And again, enjoy your day, okay? Bye!
Hi anak! Happy birthday anak! Sana ay maging masaya ka sa iyong karawan at magkaroon ka ng magandang buhay dyan sa iyong trabaho, sa aking apong si Jayden. Sana ay alagaan mo siyang mabuti at mahalin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. We miss you. Magkikita tayo sa mga ilang araw na lang. Simula ngayon ay magkikita tayo dyan. I love you, anak.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi anak, ganda, sexy. Happy birthday. Sana sa birthday mo na to ay maging maligaya ka kahit na single mom ka at nag-iisa ka lang nag-alaga sa anak mo. Sana ay maging maligaya ka sa kaarawan mo at papaiyak na ako eh. At sana maging successful ka pa sa buhay mo, maging maligaya kayo ni Jayden, lumaking mabait si Jayden, at wish ko sa iyo good health, more blessings, and sana ay maging matagumpay ka sa iyong work, and salamat sa mga blessings na binabahagi mo sa amin.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat at sana ay maging maligaya ka sa iyong birthday ngayon. I love you anak and wish you more birthdays to come, and alagaan mo buti si Jayden at see you very soon at miss na namin kayo. Happy birthday. I love you.
Ready na kami sa paputukan ng tiyan. Salamat anak sa iyong pinadala.
Thank you.